Understanding, to the best mom, dad, a guide to expressing love and appreciation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very heartwarming topic. Understanding and using the phrases, to the best mom, and to the best dad. These expressions are not just words, they carry deep emotions and appreciation. Let's explore how to use them effectively to express love and gratitude towards our parents. The phrase, to the best mom, dad, is a form of direct address used to express admiration, love, and appreciation. When we say, to the best mom, or to the best dad, we are essentially saying that, in our eyes, our mom or dad is the best parent one could have. It's a subjective expression, showing that we value and appreciate their love, care, and sacrifices more than anything. You can use, to the best mom, dad, in various contexts, such as greeting cards. Whether it's a birthday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or just a day you want to make special, these phrases are perfect for starting your message. Gifts. Personalizing gifts with these phrases adds an emotional touch, making the gift even more special. Social media posts. Sharing your love and appreciation publicly on special occasions or just on a regular day. Direct conversations. Simply telling your parents, you are the best mom, dad, can make their day. Let's look at some examples to understand how to incorporate these phrases into our expressions of love and gratitude. Greeting card. To the best mom in the world. Thank you for always being my pillar of strength. I love you more than words can express. Gift tag. To the best dad ever. This gift is just a small token of my appreciation for all that you do. Social media post. Shouting out to the best mom, dad anyone could ask for. Your love and support mean everything to me. We hope this video has helped you understand how powerful and meaningful the phrases, to the best mom, and to the best dad, can be. Remember, it's not just about saying these words. It's about making our parents feel truly appreciated and loved. So, go ahead and express your love and gratitude in the most heartfelt way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.